Hey there, amazing people. Welcome back to the Earning Guru channel, where we break down the mysteries of making money online and help you build the life you've always dreamed of. I'm super excited to dive into today's topic, how to land remote jobs with absolutely zero experience. I know what you're thinking. Is it really possible? Well, let me tell you, I've helped hundreds of people start their remote work journey, and yes, it's absolutely doable. Before we jump in, quick reminder to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with our latest money-making tips. Your support means the world to us. Let's start with the golden platforms for beginners. First up is flexjobs.com. They actually verify all their listings, so no scams. Then we've got remote.co and weworkremotely.com. These sites are particularly friendly to newcomers. Here's a pro tip many don't know. Start with data entry or virtual assistant positions. These roles often require basic computer skills that you already have. Companies like Appen, Rev, and TranscribeMe frequently hire beginners for transcription work. Now let's talk about building your profile. Create a killer LinkedIn profile. It's your digital resume. Highlight your transferable skills. Good at organizing your personal life. That's project management. Love helping friends with tech issues? That's technical support experience. Here's something crucial. Get certified. Google offers free digital marketing certifications. HubSpot has free content marketing courses. These look amazing on your resume, and many are completely free. Another secret weapon? Join remote work Facebook groups and Discord communities. Many companies post entry-level positions there before putting them on job boards. I'll link some of the best ones in the description below. Here's a strategy that worked for many of our community members. Start with micro-tasks on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Build your portfolio with small projects. Then leverage that experience for bigger opportunities. Remember, your lack of experience isn't a dead end. It's just your starting point. Everyone who's working remotely today had to start somewhere, right? I'd love to hear about your remote work journey. Drop a comment below sharing your experiences or challenges. What kind of remote work interests you? Your feedback helps me create content that truly helps you succeed. And here's a special insider tip. Many companies are more interested in your potential and willingness to learn than your years of experience. Show enthusiasm in your applications and you'd be surprised how many doors open. Before we wrap up, I want to thank you all for being part of this amazing community. Your success stories fuel my passion for creating these videos. If you found this helpful, please share it with someone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to check out our playlist on remote work tips. It's packed with more detailed strategies and success stories. And if you have suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. We're always listening. Stay motivated, keep pushing forward, and remember, your dream remote job is out there waiting for you. This is Earning Guru signing off. See you in the next video.